Alright, what's up guys? Streaming from home today because I had to come home for some family stuff. The last stream I talked about some things we can do for nufood in this stream, and I am so sorry, but I lied. I don't know, I'm too tired and I want to go chill. This finals week has been a little bit hectic for me, and the final I took today was not my best work. So yeah, I'd like to kind of put out, I don't know, not an apology, but like just a warning. If you think I'm not coding much in this like past week and a half, it's because I'm not. I'm just busy. I'm like doing a lot of schoolwork, and I'm doing prep outside of this for like, it's another thing. I have my technical got scheduled for Wednesday. So I've been like prepping for that, doing a lot of my data engineering fuck ass project that takes so much time out of my day. So I don't know. It's a little bit hard to like get on here and then do like a 2-hour stream. But good news is I have spring break starting on Thursday. So while I will be on vacation, so it won't be super long ones, I'll at least be more fresh in terms of not bored down by what I did during the day. So yeah, that's all my excuses out. So if I get any mean comments, that's why. Yeah. For today, I'm gonna try to do the daily, see how long that takes me. I still have the plan of what I want to do for the nufood thing. It's definitely going to take a little bit because I got to change a bunch of typing, and I got to change a bunch of like the format that it expects. But I think I can at least do like the back end changes, like reflecting what I want to do. Is that all about all the yap I have for today? Talked about the technical interview. Talked about me fucking up my final. Sounds about good to me. Oh, I got a haircut too. That didn't matter, but I did get a haircut today. All right. You were given an array nums consisting of positive integers. We call a subarray of nums nice if the bitwise and of every pair of elements that are in different positions in the subarray is equal to 0. Wait. If the bitwise and of every pair of elements. How is this not just like, how is this different than if you just ANDed 3, 8, and 48? Because ANDs are commutative. No? Am I going crazy? I feel like I might be going crazy. Like, why do you not just keep a tracker of AND equaling? Like, obviously it seems like two-pointer, like sliding window-esque. Just trying to think of a case where when you AND the whole thing, because it has to be every pair. I don't have a mouse, so like I can't draw what I'm thinking. But essentially, like, what I'm trying to figure out if I'm like being stupid or not about is like, three and 8 and 3. It's hard to go back to typing on this keyboard. And 8 this can essentially, like, these things can be grouped, where it's like, no, am I stupid? I feel like I might be stupid. I guess you do have to do it pairwise. What's up, big dogs? Do you already stop streaming, Hannah? That's insane-o. Streamception, dude, streamception. I mean, like, regardless, I can just set up the basic 2-pointer. Or no, R is gonna be, we're gonna take R as like for loop. Oh my god, I haven't like done coding on just this laptop keyboard in like quite a while. So while is that right, or do I switching these? Because I'd imagine it's while so we want to make sure they're equal to 0, so while they're, if we're doing while they're equal to, no, we do the cur tracker there. Because I was thinking of just doing this with the right pointer. But I think it's this in cur. Do I believe that? Just trying to think like when this window even expands. Like, do we keep the cur tracker and just check that the window is continually equal to 0? No, wait, what the fuck? While. Three R plus 1 here. Like, I'm trying to check the window. Like, as long as it's still 0, we keep and equaling it with each other. What's up, cheese? What's up, John? What's up, guys? I'm admittedly struggling today. I feel like this should be such an easy sliding window one, but my brain is just like not working. Like, is it this? List index out of range. That's fair. This is so stupid. Oopsie. Okay, so I get 3 for this. But why do I also get 3 for this? Oh, it's because I'm starting it at 0. Every time I... Okay. It's because I'm starting it at 0. So do I instead like have to shut the array? Like as we're... Like we always... Like we add the OR. And then... And then these would switch. So it's instead like as we're collapsing it. Because I'm pretty sure we do... What's up, guys? Is it or? Because like the problem I'm running into is that they're always just 0. So when we and equal them, it's just 0 and equals with 0. So it's like you want to reset it with an or. XOR would it be XOR? Obviously, we're going to keep this. Like, while the current number well, the num ended with our current is not equal to 0. We need to be closing our gap. So to reverse the action, we'd need to take like the inverse. Like, how do you negate? Oh, so it's like the same thing as C. Okay. So here read and equals the inverse of num's L. And then we do L plus equals 1. Yeah? But I'm still running into this because like I feel like this should be that. And I just know it's not. This just seems wrong. Like, do I make cur? Like, how do I reset this window? Like, say we start at 1. So our length would be 1 here. We would then move again, and 3 ended with 1 would not be equal to 0. So we'd close it. So now we're at 3. So then we have 3 ended with, is it or to like just start off with? Yeah, because I think that, yeah, I think it's or. I'm like pretty sure it's or. Because I think this is like how you start the window. I actually just think this is wrong. Shit. Why is this giving me such a hard time? You approach that. I don't think you want to know. This is just wrong. Like, blatantly wrong. I don't know what's happening. Does anyone have tips? I welcome the back seat, currently. Apparently cursor can one-shot entire websites. Yeah, I saw like the same.dev or something. It's like a website cloner. Kind of crazy. Like, how do we expand this window? Is it XOR? Okay. Or is that right or numza? What would be the one we're adding? Is it numza? Not pretty sure it's right. Alright, same problem. I think it's just my approach is wrong. I hate bit fiddling. I usually like bit problems, but I don't know why this one is it's just not computing in my head. Because I know it's a sliding window, but it's like we want to expand the window and close the window, and then always be checking if our length is good. So I'm pretty sure this is fine. Do I think this is fine, actually? It occurs. Did I only read it? Huh? What are you talking about, John? All right. I've spent 23 minutes on this. I think I'm just going to look at this solution. I don't know. I'm an idiot. Such is life. Did you fucking mean the XOR should go here? Oh, I am an idiot. Because I got the OR part right. Oh my fucking god, bro. Alright, look, my fault. My fault. You told me to use XOR, and I just intuited the wrong position for XOR. Wait. Well, cur and num not equal to 0. How's that as a list index out of bounds? You just want to say keep driving, man? Thank you. Appreciate it. Just wanted to ask for advice on what to do if my Valorant player is... Dude, boy, do I have an issue for you. I think you should pull out your util. And ask them to don't run. God, that's BM. You guys came in right at the end. Because I actually want to go chill. I'm going to end the stream here. Or actually... And probably. Where would that be? Actually, that might be in DB. The fuck is just like daily items? Am I tripping? There it is. Okay, so here's where I want to like do the slice thing. So I think this is something like I just make this a function. What is return? I always forget the what the fuck is the syntax for this? I like always forget. I've used Go for like so long, and I just constantly. Okay. So be mapping strings to like an array of daily items. I wonder if I can even do that. Still no LLM, not for this, which means you guys are gonna watch bad code. Adding features? No, right now I'm doing like these daily items all come in as just like one large array that's like not sorted. And I want them by location. So like I want to have like elder mapped to like the items in elder, because I don't know why the fuck I didn't do that. But I needed that for like a UI thing that I wanted to do. So now I'm just doing this. Why do you return them as an object instead of an array if there's only a name field? Because eventually for like the, I think it's literally just like legacy reasons. Like I used to have like more fields, and then I like deleted the fields, and I don't know, I didn't go back. Maybe bad at programming. Should paginate it? What do you mean by that? But not name, location. Oh, how do I like extend it? Because like I could do something like this. Return the data for each. So you're saying like different requests for each one of these? Or what are you saying? Because I don't, like I on purpose made it one large GET request. Just because I like how fast stuff is. I'd rather sacrifice the first like page with a ton of fields. Like this one for the all items. I could, but the thing is, it's like not that big of an array. I know it's like bad practice, but like if all the data is just here, you can kind of do stuff instantly. And that was like kind of my thinking is like, we could get away with a lot of like bad stuff in terms of, obviously if this was scaled to 10,000 items, you'd want to do that. But it's like, I think 3,000-ish items. So like one large GET request in the beginning, like is like fine. Like you're still losing the most of time just by like going over the query path. There has to be like a better way to do this. Append or create. Oh, so you can just do that. Okay. I guess at least that's what I thought. Okay, so now when we call can I call that in an API? Ah, because we're using weekly items, motherfucker. I wish I was not an idiot. Okay. Instead, I have to change it here. Or no. For is it like key item? Yeah, it is key value. Does your website render and cache itself after running a scraper each day, or does it render every request? On page load, it grabs like the data from my database. So it's not like super cached. Yeah, I just typed it wrong. So it's kind of like I want to do, this is such bad programming, but like whatever, I don't care. Proof of concept first, right? Smile. this. And surely we'll change it later. Surely, right? Surely. Do you have a map to another map? I wonder if I'm gonna get yelled at for this. No? Swag. Swag. I should actually be able to, I gotta rerun this. Come on, just give me the little migration. Okay, cool. You know what I should have done? I should have just, let's look at when I queue it, or when I just curl the, okay, cool. It's doing what I expect. In regards to our weekly items now goes date into Allison Plexi Sargent. Date Alexis Plexi Sargent. Cool. All right. So tomorrow, I don't know if, I'm not going to promise tomorrow. In the future, we're going to make UI changes based on that. Because I got to change a bunch of the front end because that's just not what I expect, so it's going to break everything. But we'll do that. I'm going to end here. I'm going to go chill. Hope you guys all have a wonderful night. This has been fun. Technical on Wednesday, so probably tomorrow will actually just be straight leetcode. Yeah, everybody have a great night. Thanks for stopping by. Night night.